Using AI to save time on proposal revisions is one of the most powerful ways to boost your productivity. Whether you're working with a team or handling proposals solo, AI can drastically speed up the process. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AI to cut down the hours you spend revising proposals and make your workflow much more efficient. Let's dive right in. We're all familiar with how much time it takes to go through multiple revisions of a proposal, making sure the wording is on point, the structure is correct, and everything is formatted just right. AI can step in here to save you a lot of that hassle. The first thing to do is upload your proposal into the AI software. Most of these tools will allow you to either paste the text or upload a document directly. From there, the AI will start analyzing the content and offer suggestions. These suggestions can range from rewording awkward phrases, fixing grammar issues, to even restructuring paragraphs for better flow. What's awesome about AI in proposal revisions is its ability to spot things you might overlook. It can identify sentence structure problems, redundancy, and awkward phrasing. By simply following the AI suggestions, you can take your proposal from rough draft to polished in a fraction of the time. Another powerful feature is the ability to compare multiple drafts. If you've been working on several versions of a proposal, the AI can compare them and give you insights into what's working and what's not. This comparison feature can help you see where certain sections might need more clarity or focus and ensures consistency throughout your proposal. The AI will also highlight key sections that may need more persuasive language or emphasize points that stand out. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also optimize your proposal for specific goals. For example, if you're looking to make your proposal more client-friendly or focusing on a particular industry, some AI tools allow you to set these parameters and guide the revisions. This ensures your proposal is tailored to the recipient's preferences and expectations. One of the most time-consuming aspects of proposal revision is ensuring everything is correctly formatted. AI can take care of this for you. It can automatically adjust margins, font sizes, and line spacing, giving your proposal a professional, clean look without you having to manually tweak every detail. Now, here's the best part. This software will not only save you time during revisions, but will also help you improve the overall quality of your proposals. By using AI tools to refine your drafts, you're elevating your chances of success by presenting a more polished, well-organized proposal that grabs attention. If you're ready to try this out for yourself, I've got an exclusive offer for you. In the description below, I'm linking a free trial for the software we're using today. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so you can follow along with the tutorial and start saving time on proposal revisions right away. Key takeaway? AI isn't just a tool for automation, it's a game changer for proposal revisions. It speeds up the process, improves quality, and ensures your proposals are as effective as possible. Let's quickly go over the main points. First, upload your proposal into the software. Let the AI analyze and suggest improvements. Use the comparison feature to check different drafts, and let the AI handle formatting and optimization for you. By using these steps, you can save time and create more effective proposals. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.